Hello! We just stopped at the grocery store on our way home, on my way home from getting the girls. I'm driving Andrew's car. He's working from home for a few days. We had a whole situation in our van. I'm gonna make another video about real life and what happened, but I gotta go because I have a green light. Just wanted to say we stopped at the store to get a few more things to add to our night 2 of tacos. We decided to do taco pizzas tonight, so we're gonna use the leftover tortillas that we made and also the shredded cheddar, but we are also gonna add a little bit of shredded mozzarella, and I got some pineapple tidbits to add as well. Oh, I also picked up more of the frozen taco meat to use for the next time that we wanna make this, because it's still BOGO and that's going to end on Thursday. So I'm gonna go because I gotta drive and be safe. See you in a few minutes for our taco night take 2. All right, go ahead and get started. And if you want to sit here, you can. We are turning last night's leftover tacos into taco pizzas. Oh, Andy's using the salsa as his sauce. That's really cool.
Some people call pizzas taco pizzas because the Lunchable pizzas, because they fold the mini pizza and it looks like a taco instead of like this.
Camden is not participating in this because he already tore apart and started eating. I have more mozzarella cheese if anybody needs it, okay? Yours is ready? You don't want any pineapples on yours?
No.
That looks good. When they're done, we'll put some sour cream on top too. Andy, that looks good. I think that's enough salsa. You probably need a little bit more cheese. You want some cheddar?
No, I like mozzarella.
Okay. Good job. Are you ready for yours to go in the oven?
I'm not ready.
We're gonna bake them for about 10 minutes on 350. Are you ready for yours, Andy? You'll notice that Jana and Skylar have pita bread taco pizzas because some of us, I won't mention any names because I'm included in it, were eating so many fresh baked tortillas yesterday that we ended up not having completely enough to make lots of taco pizzas. So I just pulled out some of those whole wheat pitas from the freezer and the girls are going to use those. Okay, I just took the leftover pineapples from that bowl and transferred them into the leftover salsa that was about less than half full. And now I have pineapple salsa and I'm gonna freeze it for the next time we do something like this.